Hey children, do you remember a time when you came back from school and your mom asked where's your eraser, and you probably said my this XYZ boy took it, or some other person took it, and then your mom asked why didn't you take it back, and you probably would have said no, he didn't give it back, I asked for it, and but why didn't you tell teacher about it? No, if I tell teacher then everybody will get to know and stuff like that. And having had something like this in primary school, do you remember having something like as you grew up into older classes, probably secondary section, when everybody is going to play and you also want to play, and you feel that children are excluding you out of the game, and you're like standing in one corner wondering why children are allowing me to play, or probably allowing yourself to making extra efforts to make keep everybody happy around you. Oh, if I don't say something like this, then they are not going to like me, so let me say it. Or if I don't agree to something like this, they are not going to like me, so let me agree to it, and things like that. Often, basically, I'm asking you is, have you said yes when you actually wanted to say no? And if that is a yes, then this video is for you. Because if you have always or almost always been saying yes or agreeing to things which you really don't want to do very often, or accepting things which you don't believe in, or sometimes it doesn't matter and you have just said yes because okay, it doesn't matter, what the hell, I can just be with others, kind of a thing, then it's a clear indication of having lacking assertiveness, right? So yeah, so when you lack assertiveness, you're not able to push your way through to what is good for you, right? And we often cater to others and their needs. How would you know, for one quick thing, whether you lack assertiveness? Is when you are in a hurry to respond to please others rather than to ponder over it, okay? Or if you are sort of not how to say, if you're, whenever you're saying something, it is not in a very clear note. Whenever you're responding, you have to collect a lot of your thoughts, and how is it that I should say so that it sounds the best. Some of these indications, some of these small things in the way you are when you interact with others would tell you whether you're assertive enough or not, right, children? And when it is time to say no, or when there's a need to say no, it is very essential for you to say no and not say yes. Many very often we find ourselves accepting the situation that is presented to us and not pave a way for us to make a situation which is favorable to us, instead of conforming to what everybody else is saying, right? Now right, and lack of assertiveness also come from a lack of self-esteem. If you're really lacking assertiveness, then of course self-esteem is really low, okay? Now, why is this important for us during this pandemic time? Because we're not meeting others, there is no eraser to share, or there is no group play happening. This is important for us right now, because when something is pushed onto us, for example, somebody sends us some kind of a message, or some kind of a window pops up when we are working hard, or we are on either our project or homework or submission of work or something, because all of us are now online, right? And our classes are all happening either on Teams or Zoom or whatever, all our classes, and we have an exposure to a whole lot of internet. How often or how much are we able to keep what is pushed on us under control? How much are we able to say no, this is not what I want to watch now, or this is not what I want to respond to now, or this is not what is good for me, and I am not willing to look at it. For example, some adult content pops up when you're watching something. Hopefully it is not happening. I'm hoping that everybody's internet has parental control, but sometimes it is not there, okay? Or somebody sending you a message, say even late at night, and you haven't switched off a notification. By the way, not having switched off a notification is also a lack of assertiveness, okay? Because when somebody sends you a message either on WhatsApp or chat or whatever, and if there's a notification popping up, that means it is disturbing you and you're allowing it to disturb. Therefore, your actions are directed by what notification is coming, rather than you deciding when you want to see a particular notification, and therefore whether you want to respond to a chat or not. So I would say that during these times, shut off all your notifications and you take a decision on when you want to look at all the chats or whatever is coming, especially if it is late in the night and you're studying or something. How much are you able to say no to somebody who is sending you a message? Now if there is something really important, they would call you if there's some kind of an emergency or critical thing, rather than just send a message. And if you have delayed a little bit, if some assignment submission has come and it is not in your list and you're not able to see it that very night, it doesn't matter. Maybe next day you can submit it, if because people can't give you just one night of these are excuses that children tell me why the notification is on, and that's why I'm reminding you. And therefore, children, give yourself time before you say something, before you respond to something. Take a little bit time to think. Most people who have reached places and are really assertive about, they are not aggressive. When we're not able to be assertive with people whom we are how do you say, you're not able to be assertive with people who are around you, you would become aggressive back home at people who are there at the receiving end, like your parents. Okay, so if you're fighting too much with your parents, that also is an indication of lacking assertiveness, because when you are not able to put yourself forward somewhere else, and all that pent up emotion that you have would be shown somewhere else back at home where they are at the receiving end, and that happens to be your parents, right? So if there is too much of contradiction between your parents about how much of privacy you want, or how much of internet you want, or how much time you want to sleep, you can check yourself about what kind of relationship do you have with your friends. You probably lack assertiveness, and you are allowing them to take over your life. You're playing the pleasing game, and when you don't know what to do about it, your actions become aggressive, right, children? So let's choose assertiveness over aggressiveness. Let's not fall for things or sites or whatever which the internet is throwing upon us, and let us not waste these days during this pandemic watching something or responding to something which is not really beneficial for us and helping us to grow. Okay, so take care. Ciao.